guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this autumnal makeup look for you guys. This will be a voiceover because I'm not feeling too well today, but if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep watching. So, starting off with just the brows, and I'm just going to go into the Laura Geller palette, and I'm going to go into this really nice warm brown shade. It is a matte shade, but I'm just going to stick that in my crease, inner and outer corner, just for some dimension, some colour. I just feel browns are just a great transitional colour for eyeshadows, and it's just an autumnal full look. And yeah, I'm now going to deepen that with a deeper, darker brown. These colours, honestly, they blend so well and they mesh together so nicely. You need this palette. Everybody needs this palette. It's so beautiful. But these are both matte shades. I'm just going to give some dimension and depth to my crease. And then going into another Laura Geller palette, I'm going to go into this matte, well, not matte, this foiled metallic olive green shade. I'm just going to stick that all over the lid. You can go in with a brush. I just prefer to use my finger, and I'm just packing it on all over the lid, inner and outer corner, covering that entire lid. And then with a brush I will be smoking it out, buffing it out, so there's no harsh lines, so it's all blended, it's all seamless, it's all transitioning. Again, just swiping it on the lid and just buffing it out with my finger. I just feel using my finger was the easiest way to apply this kind of foiled shade, but like I said, you can use a brush if you don't want to get your fingers messy. Now going into the matte black shade from that other Laura Geller palette, I'm just going to stick that on the outer corners just to keep the outer corners more smoky and deep and dark. I feel like it just gives this eye look a little bit of drama. And then I'm going to go back into the original first brown shade and just buff that out in the crease and outer corner, just so everything meshes together. And just doing the same to the other eyeball. Now, going into the two matte brown shades, I am going to put them on my lower lash line. We are basically, for this entire look, we are basically just mirroring what we've done on the top to the bottom. So all four colours that I have used will now go on the lower lash line as well. Might as well just tell you all in one. See, this is the olive and the matte black going on now. So I'm just putting the olive green shade on first, and then I'm going to deepen it with that matte black because it will be followed with a coal black liner. Told you, liners. So I'm going to go into the Smashbox gel liner, and I'm just going to take that across my waterline, which will blend into that matte black shade that we put on our lower lash line. It's all about depth, drama, glam AF. And then we are going to use the NYX Vinyl liquid liner in black as well, and we're just going to do some fierce thick wings. I think we all know how to do liner by this point, so I'm not going to show you everything on how to do eyeliner. I'm not perfect at it, but trust me, eyeliner senses fear. Say a prayer and hold your breath. And voila, we have some lashes, which are some cat eye style lashes by Eylure. I cannot remember the name for the life of me, so I'm so sorry, but they will be down below. With the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, my holy grail mascara, and I'm just going to coat my lower lashes. And the face makeup has appeared. This is an eyeshadow tutorial, that's why I'm not showing you. But don't worry, the products will be listed down below. I am now going to go into the blush shade from the original palette. I'm just going to take that all across my cheeks. This blush is beautiful. It's an apricot peach tone blush, and it's beautiful. And with that highlighter, it works phenomenally. Honestly, if you get a chance to get your hands on these palettes, do it. You will thank me later. Don't forget the nose for the highlight. I will look like Rudolph. but more pale. But just stick that highlight in all the high points of the face, the inner corners and under the brows. You know the drill. Drown yourself in highlight. That's how we do it here. And for lips, I'm going to go into this Jeffree Star and Manny MUA lipstick called I'm Shook. This is the one shade I do know in the entire video. And I'm just going to stick that all over the lip, all over my lips. Can't speak either apparently. Just to finish this look off. And this is the finished look. If you like this video, then please click the thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. And when you hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit the bell icon button to be notified when I upload, which is every Tuesday. Everything that I've used, including my face makeup that I haven't shown you because this was just an eye tutorial, everything will be listed down below like always. So if you are interested in what face products I used, down below. My Instagram, my Twitter and my PayPal is also linked down below. Any donations that you make to my PayPal will go straight back into my channel, and I'll be so grateful and appreciative of any donations you give to support the channel. I hope you have a good day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!